How's it going? I'm Ben. I'm here with Blue Modern Marketing, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to set up your Calendly, how to like how to build like a meeting and like a meeting form properly in Calendly. And then I'm also gonna little bonus content at the end. I'm going to show you a quick little make automation that you can build, which make, if you don't know, is like a no code automation platform. Um, Everything that you're gonna do in this video, you'll be able to do for free. There's paid versions depending if you need to do more stuff or less stuff, kind of depending, you know. But yeah, let me kick it off. Let me just show you like an example of one of our bookings right now. So here you go. You just get like a thing like this. You could select like a date. We have the times, and then you'd select that. You click a time next, and then there's like a whole form. And then there's like a pipeline to follow along with it, which I can show in another video if you're looking for like meeting pipeline, like workflow, follow-up workflow, that kind of thing. Some of that you're able to build in here, which I'll show. Um, but a lot of that you could also like integrate through Make or your CRM, which I'll also be connecting to um, this form in Make. So let me get started now. New event type. I'll move over here. We'll call it one-on-one with me. All right, and then here is where we can just go, boom. We're just gonna copy all this because this is already a good format. So like this is only for people or business owners who are looking to scale their business 6 or 7 figures. You will apply to work directly with our expert team and have them help scale your business. PS, you're in high demand. So make sure that to book for a time that you can definitely make it. If you aren't willing to invest at least $100 into yourself, do not book a call. And if you're trying to sell us anything, don't book a call. So that's always like a good start. And then name your event. I'll just call it like one-on-one test, just so I remember it. We'll call it 30 minutes for now. And then I use Zoom, but you can do a lot of like other things. Obviously, there's also like Teams, Google Meets. I'm just gonna like use Zoom since I've already linked that. It's pretty simple. You'll just hit add, and then it'll like path you to whichever one of those you need to add. Um, so yeah, we'll go ahead and continue. So now it's loading up all that. So then event details is where we were. So you see the 30-minute and then Zoom. Host invitees, you can allow your guests to invite things, and then that's me. Save and close. Um, Schedule and settings. So invitees can schedule within 60 calendar days is normally what I do. That's the default. And then here you can actually select, let me just drag that over. You can select like what hours the meeting should be available. I'm just gonna leave it for this because it's easier, but let's just say you want to do Sunday, I can show you. We'll just go like that, and then it's literally you just type in the boxes. But we'll cancel for now. We won't set like a limit or anything like that. You can obviously depending on like what you like to do. And then booking page options. So here, actually, let me go back to the summary first. I believe here, I'll write a summary, Control V. That's where we want this whole body paragraph. Save. Um, and then I'm just gonna go like that. I'm just gonna go like this and open another Calendly real. Oh, I guess I already have another Calendly real quick, so I can just view the. Um, I'm just gonna go to edit real quick. I just want to see the questions that I've used before. You can ask. Obviously, there's a few different. Like, you just go to the booking page. Um, oh, this is the test one, but for test sake, we'll just do this. So it already does like name, email, but if you don't, I'm just gonna delete that. But if you don't require phone number, this form actually does not like the default doesn't prompt for that. So you definitely want to collect that so you can follow up like SMS follow-ups. Also with that, let me know if you need or if you want to see like another video or anything on like SMS messaging, SMS campaigns, all that kind of stuff. We'll just add another question. We'll go like company name. Well, you can leave that, and then you can obviously go like that. Done. What if we go like contact list, that's not contact size, whatever. Done. So that's pretty simple. And then after booking, display Calendly confirmation. You could also like redirect to an external site, which we actually normally do, to like a meeting onboarding video type thing. So let me know if you guys want to see like that kind of sheet. Also, that's kind of like with the pipeline stuff, but I'm just gonna leave it for this for now, just simplicity's sake, make it easier to understand for the thing. And then notifications and workflows. This is where you're actually able to build into Calendly like email reminders, text reminders. So if you let me just show you what it will look like. We won't actually build one in just because I don't we don't want to have to like fill out like a couple fake entries. I don't want to fill out my email with that. But basically what you can do is it literally says, hi, invitee full name. This is a reminder, event name, which is like the name, well, which would be test with my name. So Ben Schlossel, event time, which it'll say whatever you picked, location, description, question answers. And then you could also link like your website or some other shit in here, but we're just going to go cancel on that one. But same sort of deal, text you would do. Email follow up is the same thing as like email reminders. So I don't know why they specify it separately, but like you could do it like that. I guess follow up could be like after the call. But you could also use the same like this template also like they're pretty similar. But anyway, we'll hit save and close. And now that we are here, all we need to do is hit copy link. And now we can share this form. So all I'm gonna actually do is go all the way over to make.com. I'm just gonna create a new scenario. I'm going to go, I'll get this block out of the way. And those of you who don't know about or don't use Make, you'll just type in make.com in your search engine or your browser or whatever. Log in. You should be able to do everything in here for free. There is like paid versions if you need to do more and more operations, like if you have a ton of other automations built and that kind of thing. But if you guys are just doing this, then free is totally fine. But the first thing I'm gonna do is go, type in here, get our Calendly. Calendly. Oh, and then we're gonna say triggers when event is created or catch that one. So what this is gonna do, create a webhook, and I've already done this, but all you're gonna want to do, and it's gonna like just link to your um yeah select all. Mm, continues. There's my user. We'll just say like invite created. And we'll just call it whatever. Hit OK. Okay, it's doing its thing. It's gonna be pretty easy. You'll just go to Calendly when you've created your thing. But let me go done. Um, you go in here, events, I believe profile. I don't know. I'm looking for if there's like if you have to share your API. Let me know in the comments if you have to share your API, if you have to use like an API key, and um I'll answer any of those like those questions or anything, but down below if you have to connect it, just because I can't remember. But now all it's doing is watching that specific what's it called Calendly form basically. So all it's doing is every time that thing is submitted and someone fills it out, what I'm actually going to do is go link this to my CRM. So I use Go High Level. I'm going to move this over, and we're just going to go create a new contact. Cancel. We'll connect. And then this is a pretty cool part in here. We can just literally go email and it will you just click the email from the Calendly. Phone number. We'll just find phone number. Tracking. Oh, questions and answers. Answer. Um, boom. Okay, and then first name will go name. Boom. Pretty simple. So now all you'll do is when this runs, and you can use like any like basically any CRM. There's so many. Oh, I was gonna scroll through here. So many things in Make that you can work with, and you can also add in tons of others. So whatever you use, you'll be able to use. But right now, all this Calendly is gonna, or all this Make automation does. I'm not gonna save this since I already have it built, but it's just watching that form. So wherever you have it linked, if it's linked to your website on like content, whatever, um, when someone fills it out, it's going to go update your high level account, like your contact list. You could also have this like go update your go high level calendar, or you could even add like another one here to like email, that kind of thing. Like you could create a draft, send an email. If you didn't want to like do like your follow up in Calendly, you could do your follow ups in here. You could also use like Twilo if you wanted to like send um a personalized SMS or like an SMS reminder, that kind of thing. Like that's like another number thing. Or if you go high level or your CRM, you have a number in there, you can obviously um, prompt from the contacts in there to do it. Um, you could also have like you could implement a chat GPT block. Um, like create a oh well not message an assistant, but yeah, and then you could take like the contact information and have it like write a personalized email, and then you would like add another email block at the end, that kind of thing. But yeah, it's really cool. Calendly, you can build a bunch of different types of calendars, one-on-one groups, all those kind of things. And then you can take that link and put it in Make, and there's like a million more automations, a million new things that you can do. So it gives you tons of new options and tons of ways. If you're interested in learning any more about Make or any of the other things shown in this video, please feel free to comment, message me on any of our other platforms, message any of our other members on any other platforms as well. Yeah, and if there's any videos or anything that you want to see next, feel free to put that in the comments below as well. Um, and I guess I don't forget to like and subscribe. That really helps you out. And if you want to see when we upload, you can hit that bell notification as well. But yeah, thanks again, everybody. I'm Ben with Bloom Lawn Marketing, and all of you have a great day.